Okay, hello guys and welcome to my channel, and today I have a new laptop, and this is the Lenovo V15 G5. Yes, it is a nice laptop and it is just coming into my hand, and I just want to show you with this gray laptop. As you can see, yeah, it looks so cool. I really like it. Okay, first of all, I want to show you the design on this laptop. As you can see, it's so slim, and this comes with a 15-inch display, Full HD, yes. And as you can see, the bezel on that, it is a plastic, but I feel steady on this laptop. And as you can see here, it comes with the USB-A networking port for this side, and another side we have the HDMI audio port, Type C, and USB-A, and yes, this one is charging port. It's so cool, guys. Okay, now let's see what inside. Wow, it running fast, guys. It running fast, smooth, because this one has the SSD 512GB with the CPU Core i5 13th generation and RAM 18GB. And for this one, it has the Intel graphics, so it's good for doing the light work, doing the small design, light design, or video editing, but with CapCut. Yes, as you can see the screen here. It looks good on that, guy. And for the price of this laptop is around $500. Yes, it's so cool. Okay, what else do you want to know about this laptop, guy? I think you can ask me in the comment, and I will try to make another review on this laptop. Yes, but right now I'm going to show you the task manager. Okay, let's see here. As you can see, can you see it clear? This one comes with the CPU Core i5 13th generation, 8GB of RAM, and SSD 412GB with the Wi-Fi version 6, and the GPU, it is Intel graphic. So good, guys. For the screen, it has a rotation 180 degree for that. Guys, look at the design. How do you feel about this laptop, guys? Let me know in the comment. And yes, that's all for my review on this laptop, and this is my first look on this laptop, and thank you for watching. If you have any comment, please let me know, and I will try to make another review and more clear for this laptop. Have a nice day. Bye bye.